In the southwest of Kabul, standing alone against time, war, and history, there is a palace that refuses to be forgotten. This is Dar-ul-Aman Palace, a building that once carried Afghanistan's greatest dream and survived its darkest chapters. Dar-ul-Aman was built in the 1920s during the reign of King Amanullah Khan, a leader who dreamed of a modern, independent Afghanistan. He imagined a nation connected to the world, educated, progressive, strong, and this palace was meant to be the heart of that vision. Designed by European architects, Dar-ul-Aman rose with grand columns, wide halls, and elegant symmetry. It stood at the center of a planned modern capital, a symbol of hope and change. But dreams often challenge tradition, and change is rarely welcomed by everyone. Political resistance grew, reforms were rejected, and King Amanullah was forced into exile. The palace that was meant to lead a new Afghanistan was left unfinished and silent. Then came decades of conflict. Dar-ul-Aman witnessed coups, invasions, civil war, and destruction. Its walls were burned, its windows shattered, its halls turned into battlegrounds. Bullets scarred its stone, fire blackened its ceilings. Yet, the palace did not fall. Pause. For years it stood like a wounded giant, broken, abandoned, but standing, a reminder of what Afghanistan once dreamed of and what it endured. And then, something incredible happened. Against all odds, Dar-ul-Aman was restored. Carefully rebuilt stone by stone, the palace rose again, not as a ruin, but as a symbol of resilience. Today, its halls are filled with light once more. Its walls stand clean and proud. Its presence speaks louder than words. Dar-ul-Aman Palace is not just architecture, it is a survivor. It tells a story of ambition, loss, destruction, and rebirth. A story that mirrors Afghanistan itself. Empires passed, wars tried to erase it, time tested it, but it still stands. If these walls could speak, they would not speak of pain alone. They would speak of hope. Hope that Afghanistan's future can rise from its past, stronger, wiser, and unbroken. This is Dar-ul-Aman Palace, a palace that fell, stood, and rose again. And its story, like Afghanistan's, is far from over.
این یک زمان بود که ما که عسکر شدم وقت بدرک آرمان یا نجیب ای وزیر دفاعش تنهی بود که تنهی از اینجا کودتا را شروع کرد.